Good morning, students. Now we will continue with our next lesson, that is the structure of atom. Okay. Now in structure of atom, as earlier in our studies or first video and all, we have studied that is the discovery of electron, proton, neutron, as well as after how the which type of charge is there, what is the mass of electron, proton, neutron, that we had studied, as well as regarding Rutherford model also we had studied, X-ray phenomenon also we had studied, canal ray phenomenon also studied. Okay, so at last it means we got that in an atom, or any, suppose here I am considering hydrogen atom, it is in an atom there is presence of three type of subatomic particles: electron, negatively charged particle; proton, positively charged particle; and neutron, neutral. And in at the center of, now this also we know that electron present around the nucleus. Okay, show the circular path. And in center of nucleus there is presence of proton as well as neutron. The up to here we already studied. Now, so on the basis of this, it means position of electron around the nucleus in an atom, position of electron around the nucleus, as well as nucleus, it means the center part of an atom, that is known as nucleus. And in nucleus there is presence of proton as well as presence of neutron. Okay, now generally, now on the basis of this electron and proton, now there are certain numbers or certain definitions are here, so that we will discuss. All these definitions are this is very important. Now student, here is the first one. First is coming atomic number, and it is represented by Z. Now the definition of atomic number, it means number of proton in the nucleus. Whatever the number of protons are present in the nucleus, that is no number of proton present in the nucleus, that is known as, that is no atomic number, that is known as atomic number. Okay, if suppose if I will write here in sodium, in case of sodium, atomic weight of sodium is 23. So in sodium there is presence of 11 and 12. It means 11p, 12n. So I can say atomic number of sodium is 11 because number of electrons are present, number of protons are present 11. Now student, here one more thing we have to remember. In an atom, whatever the number of proton is equal to number of electron. But generally in consideration we are taking only the weight of proton, because the weight of proton, it is the weight of electron, it is very lighter than compared to proton. So it is approximately, we are not considering an negligible. Okay, so this is the meaning of atomic number and it is represented by Z. Okay, now the next is coming here, mass number. Mass number, it means on the basis of this mass number, what we can calculate? Molar mass or atomic mass. Okay, so what is the meaning of this mass number? In an atom, number of protons plus number of neutrons is known as mass number. And this mass number is represented by capital A. Okay, so now here we have written number of protons plus number of neutron. It means I can write in this way, capital A is equal to Z and number of neutron is N. Okay, so A is equal to Z plus N. So here if I will give you this example here, suppose in example, so here this sodium, so in case of sodium, here number of proton 11, number of neutron 12. So mass number of sodium is, it is 23. 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 and 1, 2. So in this way we can explain atomic mass number for any element. It means student, in the examination question is like that. Now among these three value, there are 3, 1, 2 and 3. Among these three, if any two values are given, third one easily we can calculate. For example, if atomic mass number, it means suppose the atomic mass number of sodium is given 23. Number of proton is given 11. Now calculate what is the number of neutron. So what I will do here, 23 minus 11, जो भी मेरा आएगा, that is 12. This is number of neutron. It means among these three, if any two values are given, third one easily we can calculate. Now student, and it is so many times आपको MCQ type of a question or calculate. Yes, one more possibility is here. As we have written, in an atom number of proton is equal to number of electron. अगर आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है, in an atom number of proton is equal to, suppose number of proton is 11, so how many number of electrons are there? That time also my answer is 11, because number of proton is equal to number of electron. Okay, now student, we will go towards the next definition, that is isobars. Okay, now yes, isobars, isotopes, and one more name is there student. It is not given in our textbook, but we will discuss. I will explain you, because in your competitive exams question is there, isotones. Okay, ये भी हम पढ़ेंगे. Now here the first one is isobar. Now isobar, it means atoms with same atomic mass number. Here I am studying isobar. Wait, same mass number. It means value of A, it should be same type of mass number. So such atoms are known as, or this is known as isobars which with each other. Okay, so in case of this isobar, here atomic number, for example, here in our book also the example is given for carbon and nitrogen only. Here in carbon and nitrogen, here atomic number, or here atomic weight for this, here this is the mass number 14. In case of carbon, mass number is 14. In case of nitrogen, mass number is 14. Okay, so it means their atomic weight, it should be same. So any element, any two elements or more than two elements which are having same atomic number or mass number are known as isobars with each other. And यहाँ जो 6 और 7 लिखा हुआ है, that is the number atomic, ये एटॉमिक नंबर है और ये एटॉमिक मास नंबर है, बराबर. सो यहाँ कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. सो इट मीन्स नेट वेट, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन, इसको मैं कैलकुलेट कर रही हूँ. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हियर isotopes. This also you know very well, in 10th standard already we had studied. Isotopes, it means again different number of different number of neutrons. Okay, different number of neutrons here. So that is known as, it means the element, same element having different number of different number of neutrons are known as isotopes with each other. Here one example I have written, that is you also know very well. Here for hydrogen there are 3 different isotopes. One is protium, deuterium